Just let him trim it.
Don't make him laugh.
Come on. Ooh, your ear. It's gonna be a little better by the time.
Why'd you put your initials in it, Adam?
Yeah,
Hey, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I've never held it over the guy's head like this.
It's making my butt fucker up.
But I'm not done. Hey, you gotta be reaching back unless you're gonna stroke. Is that an ear?
That looks a little better. Can you do something with the front?